631, go here, because we're going to go fast here. Okay, so in file 196 in the loader function right here, we got to scroll down here. We got Nick Cage's variables. Just pay no attention to this bullshit. So Nick Cage's variables, pause here to read these. I'm going to scroll down. Okay, pause here to read these other variables. Okay, we're going to scroll down all the way to the algorithm way down here. Okay, Nicholas Cage. So we need to draw cages around all 13 micro levels. We have a shorthand reference to the edge enumeration to door rectangle. We're going to loop through every single room, and then we're going to loop through every single edge, top, right, bottom, and left in that order according to the edge enumeration. And we're going to grab the center point of the current room on the bitmap, BCX, BCY, bitmap center X, bitmap center Y. Then we need to grab the door rectangle. So here we're grabbing the door rectangle that is a relative pixel selection on our bitmap, okay? Everything is black is initially true, and then we're going to loop through every single pixel of our door rectangle. We're going to globalize the door rectangle pixel here, BDX and BDY here, and then we're going to bounds check it, make sure it's within the correct pixel bounds of our 196 by 196 file, and then we're going to get the component address of this pixel rectangle on the bitmap, and we're going to extract the red, green, and blue, and alpha from the door rectangle pixel on the bitmap. We're going to do absolutely fucking nothing with the alpha, and if the pixel is black, we're not going to do anything yet here, but if it is some type of color, we're going to say non-black was found. Now, we're not going to break out early. This is what we're saying. We don't want to break out early if we hit this condition because of this stuff here that we're going to do eventually. Now, room wall segments. We're going to get a shorthand reference to this array here, and this array, we use the edge enumeration to extract every single segment that we can use to build a wall on one of the edges. So we can build a top edge, a central edge, and a bottom edge, or a left edge, center edge, and a right edge, depending on where we are. And if there is actually a tunnel for this doorway, then we only want to draw this edge and this edge. But if there is a blockade, because all the pixels are black, then we also want to draw this line segment here. Okay, and so right here, we're not going to do anything more because this is already too much fucking code. And yeah, we're out of fucking time. So really, go here to the Ninja Coder channel because we don't have much time on Kanji Coder. Source code is here. Ways to get a hold of me here. Like, subscribe, send money.